Duolingo goes full fictional linguistics to give Game of Thrones fans High Valyrian lessons for HBO. I'm Jeff Beer, and this is Fast Company's brand Hit or Miss of the Week. This week we have a hit, and it goes to language learning app Duolingo. Now, close your eyes and imagine, or just search it on YouTube. Let's go back to the scene in the 4th episode of Game of Thrones' 3rd season, where Daenerys Targaryen seizes control of the slaver city of Astapor by politely commanding her pet dragon Drogon to burn the city's slave-owning leader to death. A key part of this entire scene is how the head slaver Krasnus hurled lyrically profane insults at Daenerys in the Valyrian language, thinking she wouldn't understand. What we got was a brutal, fiery lesson in the advantages of being multilingual. So, leading up to the August premiere of HBO's new Game of Thrones spin-off, House of the Dragon, Duolingo is offering to give fans lessons in High Valyrian, so they too can speak the words of the legendary dragon lords. The app had already featured the language alongside Vulcan, Natch, but has now added more than 150 new words and 700 new sentences. To hype the partnership, billboards have gone up in several major US cities featuring phrases like Zaldrizis Rebus, Lomeri Udrizrizi, Valerio Iglio Idrasua, and Udiri Valerio Iglio Graneris Sidrakari. Pick us. Are they telling us about the faceless man or offering us a fine glass of Dornish red? I have no idea. We need the app. Duolingo's TikTok famous mascot, Duo the Owl, is also appearing at HBO's elaborate House of the Dragon experience at San Diego Comic-Con this week. When Squid Game became a Netflix hit last year, Duolingo saw a huge boost in people signing up for Korean lessons, reporting a roughly 40% growth in new learners studying that language in the 2 weeks after Squid Game premiered, compared to the week before the show's launch. Given the hype and anticipation for HBO's Game of Thrones spin-off, this is a fun, smart brand move by Duolingo to continue its tie to the iconic entertainment property and pop culture overall. And it's doing it in a way that's active as opposed to a traditionally passive approach. Look, I love the Bud Light Game of Thrones Super Bowl ad in 2019, but that, at its core, was an entertaining stunt. By contrast, this is a prime example of creative brand utility, giving hardcore fans a way to actively immerse themselves even deeper into that Westerosi lifestyle. That's it for this week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Fast Company's channel, and please come back every week to check out more of the Brand Hit or Miss series.